emergency rescuers, I'm Professor Photon, and welcome to the 2026 Robot Drone League Junior Challenge Emergency! You're about to go on an amazing adventure, just like the real urban responders. Your mission? Respond to emergencies in an urban center. Get ready to use your robots and drones to help responders deal with the emergency. Let's start your mission briefing.
Your mission is 5 minutes long. The first minute is in autonomous mode. This means your robots and drones must move on their own with no help from you. After that, you get 4 minutes to control them and complete as many tasks as possible.
Each team has up to 6 players at the drive station working together. Red team and blue team will compete on mirrored fields. During the last minute, all scoring pieces become available to both sides, which means that teams can move anywhere and score more points. Breaking the rules will result in penalties, so play fair.
Listen up, teams. You're about to send your robots and drones into a city in danger. Your help is to rescue people and deal with other dangers. There are lots of important tasks, so teamwork is key. Your drones will have to loop around the play area in order to find where people in need of rescue are located and mark the location with either your drone or robot. Your robot or drone will attempt to stabilize a flaming building to stop it from collapsing. You will add building stabilizers and push water grenades from nearby water towers inside of the building to put the fire out.
EMTs and paramedics need tools to save lives. Bring the oxygen tank and the AED to the flaming building to help them.
Your robot will rescue victims from various locations around the building. You will rescue them from the base of the building and from the top of the building.
Rogue robots are loose on the field. Don't get caught by it, or else you will have to stay still for 5 seconds. To deactivate it, press the off button on the robot.
Your team will have to answer cybersecurity questions in order to protect the city's infrastructure. Your robot will need to contain biohazardous cargo from the spilled truck. Use the containment pieces and neutralize it.
Your team will need to complete each task correctly for the most points. Bonus points for smooth drone maneuvers. Emergency responders will need to be great problem solvers. Your team will answer emergency responder themed questions to show off your knowledge. The more correct answers, the higher the score.
Final systems check. Autonomous mode activation in 3, 2, 1. Ready for deployment. The 2026 Robot Drone League Junior Emergency Challenge begins now.